how to show or hide the lockdown mode option in the power off menu on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Next, tap on secure lock settings. Then in here, we're going to put in the username or password and then tap on continued. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on show lockdown option. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And it's in here, display a power button option that turns off extend turn off extend unlock, biometrics unlock, and notifications on the lock screen. So here, when we switch it on, I can swipe down and then tap on the power off menu. In here, I can tap on lockdown mode, and that will lock the device as well as turn off some of the critical feature, such as fingerprint is now turned off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.